Chelsea, Mutana Fiebo 1-1. And you know, I don't know, Olympics in Sunday going cities issues, you know, and also you be with na ya on Kazani and Koyanim. Brekum Chelsea, Mutana Fiebo 1-1.
Yes, Fiebo 1-1. See, send out this start here, me and Jim. Uncle Bien ho. The most important thing is say you draw it.
Account 2 minutes.
Because game no tamale debia tamale die omuya ye headache papa debia tamale with the Bono teams. There's always a problem with that. Just say omuni ni anu edran kasa. So to be able to draw with the tamale team, I was saying ngoma bi eni ho. Ngoma na e ho ni say Mezek e free. Oye the number 1 goal scorer, 11 goals. A Premier League no. On draw game no my last minute.
On take Kano.
And ya de pamebo coach na baso and a players no. Enti nkoma bi eni ho. Sesia no sa agents no pese e break. Next season, ye mpene mombe draw biom because omo team buy a home. No ma shen no mo call. Bono teams Adriana so steady almost so the triangle of the Bono and the Tamale phone well what did that into nkoma de bi eni ho. Baby nkoma wo no na aka no kre. How to folk nkoma wo ho.
Adwa see
you kind of saying protocol nkoma wo ho. Adriana na nkasa yes nkoma wo ho but just that we need evidence I want to make nkasa but also folks the evidence wo ho.
Na me ka dey.
Evidence wo ho say so was nkoma wo ho. Evidence wo ho say
Adwa listen I will try as some make kind of men taken out of contest.
There as a BBC or Golden City Park.
Me na make come has
and I'm missing na me appear want to me can time say BBC.
Me ka see dem.
What say nkoma wo ho. Meaning say game na ye draw and I'm Mezek take.
There's something surrounding Chelsea. Must start this season, must start year. Mo first 4 matches.
This season. Ye can be 23 asem and I can also nkoma wo ho.
Me see.
Nkoma na wo ho na nkofo di powder ye omunim. Eko Zambia ye say which doctor and they won.
Nkoma wo ne say Brekum Chelsea. Asa mo tena fie kura na mo drop point.
Yeah, one drop point. Accra of folk mo kotoko or drop point.
Me pe mo asem o.
Pay asem. Nkomo bi eni Brekum Chelsea.
Bibia fine.
Bibia ya perfect. Ya share, ya draw tamale no. Next Adriana. No so ye be sure mo. Fa ho ni bibia wo league log no so. Enti Brekum Chelsea bibia okay. Me problem me dey buy and say.
Who kra problem na?
Yes. Okay. Ghana Premier League.
Who problem?
Ghana Premier. That be because we're from mine and I'm a Ghanaian and I affect him.
They also you Ghanaian affect him. Brekum Chelsea as I was saying family.
I affect him.
How
on earth? Sesiano, you just Google and go out there and there's a mystery say you new wizards, new witches. And I buy Africa so I call wizard and witches are in confounding as if for at a player. This is not the first time, this is not the second time. Men cast house of folk in Kwa. Most teams, some we have house of folk there. The day. Say.
I'm no benyao.
Say. No, it's about Ghana. I don't.
No, about Ghana, ako ba asidi.
Oh no, the part I ain't in him. Na Sebi, as a goalkeeper. Would we need is your kind of saying how do I even say your tooler unhia pa the ball bar. What the part they are with him? How would you be able to even see?
I'm for share glasses scratchable.
Would you be able to even see the goal? It doesn't speak well of us. It doesn't speak well of the league. And international will be which doctor no. It is no. Me read the which doctor no. Is it true or is it we? Because I know when you chrome and then you imagine England na sifo. Now goalkeeper. Now we Nima say powder or say Ronaldo. It doesn't speak well. We should stop these things.
Okay.
Look, a draw baller. And Kami Chrome. I be. And by this time, Yaji World Cup. Because the whole notion about Ewes and say a draw baller and Benin or Majiwe. You better do your tactics well. Do your tactics well and play. It doesn't speak well of us. Because you are also a stakeholder. You are stakeholders. We try to push this league. This league that we try to push it up.
Okay.
Now can't is okay. Now now good league no. What kind of life is this?
All right.
One person ever said I share powder win him.
Okay. All right. Adwa pokia wanam ono PRO Edema Brekum Chelsea and then otutu bi mame wo fia papa magiatum ma fan sa pepe won so mo brebe ba enti mo brebe na me so me de mama na ye say my ko